guys know what time it is because I know what time it is. It is my favorite holiday tradition of the last 2 years. Alan and I are heading to the Toronto Christmas market and we're gonna do a little food tour, maybe get some hot chocolate, browse around all the little stalls. We have not been yet this year and it's getting so late in the year. We normally go like beginning of December, but it's already past mid-December. We're finally going now. I am all ready to go. I just did a little bit of light makeup. Something like similar to like the cold girl makeup, just something that's like very glowy, pink, very cute, I feel like. But we're gonna head out. I'm so excited. I'm actually really excited to see if there's any different food this year, but let's head out. First up, oh, it's blurry. Come on. We got Jamaican beef patty. I rated it a 7 out of 10.
I gave it a 7.5.
It's almost been devoured, but we got the classic Christmas poutine that we get every single year.
Was that on fire?
Yes, please. We are ending our little food tour with some hot chocolates. I got peppermint with s'mores toppings.
I got a tiramisu.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Good morning, you guys. I don't know why I am so exhausted this morning, but for some reason I am. But we are gonna spend a little holiday morning in together. I'm gonna make a little coffee and some breakfast. I think maybe put on some Christmas music. I am living for and obsessed with this little Skims holiday set. It is so comfy. I would like this in like 3 other colors. I'm obsessed with it. I think we need some coffee in my system. I am feeling it this morning. And I don't even really know why because I didn't go to bed like super late last night. But I'm pretty tired this morning. This ice roller is helping so far though. I recently have been making a drip coffee kind of as like a mocha latte mocha misto situation with my X-Bloom machine, which you guys always ask what this other extra machine here is, and it's from X-Bloom. It's like a drip coffee machine, but I'm gonna make like a mocha latte kind of, but more like a cafe misto situation. Also, I'm sure you guys can see behind me, my dad came this past weekend and helped me put up the shelves here. The decor on this literally just looks so sad because it's basically Christmas is like almost here, so I'm not gonna bother decorating that. But I do need to fill these at some point, but the shelves are finally up. I think they look really good. Eventually I do want to get a mirror to put over top of that, but that is it for today's little home update. I just wanted to show you guys that because obviously you could see it in the vlog. Because obviously you could kind of see it behind me. We have my cafe misto situation. So I just made it with a little bit of oat milk this morning, and then I added some hot chocolate powder, drip coffee, Honestly, 9 out of 10. It's pretty good. I think we're gonna put on some Christmas music now. I remembered that I have a Michael Bublé Christmas album record, and I have not used my record player in forever, so I think that's what I want to do while we get ready this morning. I also am gonna make a smoothie for breakfast. I don't always have coffee on an empty stomach, but it does happen sometimes. Today is one of those days. I have quite a few records, but I think I have no other Christmas albums on record other than Michael Bublé, and I think that is just accurate and kind of iconic of me. The record itself too is so freaking pretty. It's just like Christmas threw up on it. So, fun fact, this is my only Christmas mug, and I just noticed it has a small chip. I asked for Christmas mugs for Christmas because, like I said, this is my only one, and I love a good seasonal themed mug. But this one was so cute, and I've had it for years, so I'm kind of sad that there's a little chip in it now. I now have my 2 drinks going, but before I sit down, I think I'm gonna read for a little bit, but I wanna make a simmer pot first because I haven't made that many of them so far this winter, just because it hasn't been super cold, so it's not super dry. But the last few days and today have been a little bit colder, so it is fairly dry in here. So for an amazing scent, like making my apartment smell like Christmas, but also more so for the humidity, I'm gonna make a little stovetop simmer pot, then maybe read for a little bit. Today is honestly a really like slow day. I am not working. I am fully on holiday Christmas break. Cheers. So I have that set to boil, and I ended up doing cranberry, orange, and cinnamon. I feel like these need to go in a little bit more. This honestly just helps with humidity because obviously it's water steaming, boiling, and then the smell is insane. I've seen some people add like rosemary and thyme and stuff. I just don't have any fresh right now, and I don't think dried has the same effect, but I love doing these in the winter. Now that the simmer pot's going, I'm gonna sit and read for a little bit. Still reading Siege and Storm. I really want to finish it before I head to my parents' place for a few days for the holidays, because I know that I won't get a ton of reading done, but I kind of want to start something new while I'm there. So I have about 100 pages of this left. We'll see if I end up finishing it today, whether now. I don't think I'm going to read 100 pages right now, so maybe sometime this evening, we'll see. To read for a little bit, kind of just soak up the cozy vibes in here and relax, chill, and then probably head to the gym because feeling the need for some movement, and also I just really want to go and get a heavy lift session in, so I think I'll probably head to the gym after I read for a little bit. use. This is why I use one of these. I put on this really cute little PJ set from Victoria's Secret, and it has feathers on the sleeves and on the pants, and I keep accidentally stepping on the feathers and losing feathers everywhere. And I've just like littered little feathers all over my apartment now. Tonight I'm going to attempt to make gingerbread cookies for the first time ever. Growing up, my mom is like a huge baker. She always made a huge assortment of cookies and always made ginger cookies, but she just never made gingerbread growing up. So like I've never actually had homemade gingerbread cookies, and I thought it'd be fun to get into the holiday spirit a little bit tonight, especially because this is one of my last nights in my Christmassy apartment since I'm going home to visit my family for the holidays for a little bit. I thought I would have a Christmassy holiday night in and attempt to make some gingerbread cookies. So I found a recipe on Pinterest and we're gonna see how this goes. I thought I would get all dressed up, have a little holiday moment, and we're going to throw on either a Christmas movie or my Christmas playlist and just have like a cute little solo night in. So I think I'm gonna start with my Christmas playlist and then maybe watch a Christmas movie in a little bit. Now that that's going, we need a little apple cider. I'm just doing some cold apple cider from Village Juicery. It's their chaga cider. I was debating whether I wanted apple cider now or if I wanted to do like a hot chocolate in a little bit, but I feel like because I had the hot chocolate coffee this morning, calling for some festive apple cider. This is the recipe that I'm going to be using. It's from this website called Gimme Some Oven. The cookies looked really good and the recipe looked really good as well. So I'm gonna give it a try. Also, I literally went out and bought this rolling pin today just so I could make these because I previously to now did not have a rolling pin because I've just never made anything that needed one. But now we have one so I can make other cookies in the future, possibly. We have hit our first roadblock. I'm supposed to beat the butter and sugar together with either like a hand or an electric mixer. I have neither. I'm gonna use a potato masher and see how this goes. I have a feeling this is not gonna go well, but we're gonna try. Make cookies if you don't eat at least a small piece of the cookie dough. My dough is officially done. It actually looks pretty decent and tastes pretty decent too. So I have to split it now into 2 discs and then refrigerate it for a little while. So I'm gonna do that. And I think I might throw on a Christmas movie because it's supposed to sit in the fridge for 45 minutes to an hour before you can roll it out and cut it and put it in the oven. Always feels weird to me to manhandle cookie dough, but marriage, I'm going to start a Christmas movie. I actually have not watched that many Christmas movies yet this year. I think I've only seen 4 because I've watched 2 on my own and then I watched 2 at my parents' place. So not very many so far this year. I really want to watch Santa Claus 3 because I watched Santa Claus 2 on my own and I haven't seen it in a while. I think that's what I want to watch. Okay, first batch is in the oven. Okay, the cookies have been chilling for, not chilling, but they've been out of the oven for long enough. I actually do have a little bit of icing, so I'm gonna decorate them. The recipe made quite a few amount of cookies, so I'm excited to try them and see how they taste. We have all of these ones here. These ones are the next batch that are cooling, and then there's still a few almost done in the oven. Okay, we're gonna do a little taste test. Before we do a taste test, at Christmas time, my Estonian side of the family, we always get these gingerbread style cookies and we call them, Estonians are gonna come at me for my accent, but they're like piparkuk, but it's like Estonian gingerbread. Fun fact that my main nationality is Estonian if you're newer around here. But let's do a taste test. I'm actually really excited to see how this turned out. Overall, I think I overcooked the first batch a little bit, but the other ones look really good. Let's see. I'm gonna give it maybe a 6.5 or a 7 out of 10. It's not as soft as I thought it was going to be, and it's also not sweet enough. I think it could have had more sugar. I know gingerbread isn't supposed to be super, super sweet, but there definitely is not enough sugar, and they also are a little too crunchy. I thought they were soft gingerbread. But other than that, pretty good overall. So not an awful recipe. Will I be making that recipe again? Probably not. Would it also have been better if I had a hand beater for the butter and sugar? Also probably. But I'm going to end off this vlog here. I hope you guys enjoyed this extra little bonus holiday eve vlog. I hope you all have an amazing holidays, Merry Christmas, or whatever celebration you celebrate. Just have a lovely holidays and spend time with your family. I love you all so much, and I will see you in my next video, which will be my yearly New Year's video. I know you guys love when I do my New Year's reset, and I'm so excited to prep and get ready for the New Year's this year, but taking my time to enjoy the holidays first. But like I said, I will see you in my next video. I love you guys so much. Bye.